Welcome to Bodicares Wellness. If you're looking to improve your health and feel amazing in just 7 days, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple yet powerful 7-day meal plan designed to nourish your body, boost your energy, and help you feel your best. Get ready to transform your health with delicious meals that are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bodicares Wellness, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Now, let's spread the power of healthy living together. Day 1. Sets the tone for the week. Start your morning with a vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend together a banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of almond butter. Pour it into a bowl and top it with sliced strawberries, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of granola for that satisfying crunch. This meal is rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, providing a great boost of energy to kickstart your day. For lunch, enjoy a quinoa salad filled with colorful veggies. Toss cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and a handful of parsley. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing dressing. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making this meal not only filling, but also incredibly nutritious. As the day winds down, prepare a delicious baked salmon for dinner. Season a fillet of salmon with herbs, lemon, and garlic, then bake it until it's flaky and tender. Pair it with steamed broccoli and sweet potato wedges. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, while sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates and essential vitamins. Don't forget to snack. For a mid-morning pick-me-up, grab a handful of raw almonds or a piece of fruit. In the afternoon, try some carrot sticks with hummus. These snacks keep your energy levels steady and prevent you from reaching for unhealthy options. Day 2 brings a delightful avocado toast for breakfast. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of chili flakes for a kick. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, making this meal both satisfying and nutritious. For lunch, a hearty lentil soup is on the menu. Cook lentils with diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, and spices until tender. Lentils are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, helping to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Dinner features a stir-fry made with tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas. Toss everything in soy sauce and sesame oil for flavor. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein source, while the veggies add a variety of vitamins and minerals. Snack time. How about Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts? This combination offers probiotics for gut health and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. On day 3, we're starting with a hearty oatmeal breakfast. Cook rolled oats with almond milk and top with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and keep you feeling full longer. For lunch, enjoy a wrap filled with grilled chicken, spinach, tomatoes, and a smear of hummus. Wrap it all up in a whole grain tortilla. This meal is high in protein and fiber, making it perfect for a midday meal. Dinner will be a delicious veggie-packed pasta. Use whole grain pasta and toss it with sautéed zucchini, bell peppers, and a light tomato sauce. Whole grains provide more nutrients than their refined counterparts, and the veggies add essential vitamins. For snacks, consider apple slices with almond butter or a small handful of trail mix. These options are not only tasty, but also provide a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Day 4 starts with a protein-packed breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Lunch will be a colorful Buddha bowl. Fill a bowl with brown rice, roasted chickpeas, kale, and sliced avocado, drizzled with tahini dressing. This meal is rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it incredibly satisfying. For dinner, enjoy a comforting vegetable curry with chickpeas, served over quinoa. The spices in the curry not only add flavor, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. Snacks for Day 4 can include celery sticks with peanut butter or a small smoothie made with frozen berries and coconut water. On Day 5, start with a refreshing fruit salad for breakfast. Combine your favorite fruits like berries, melon, and kiwi for a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. For lunch, have a turkey and spinach sandwich on whole grain bread with mustard and sliced cucumbers. Turkey is a lean source of protein, and whole grains provide sustained energy. Dinner will be a flavorful grilled chicken breast with roasted Brussels sprouts and quinoa. This meal is balanced with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Don't forget your snacks. A hard-boiled egg or a small serving of edamame are great choices to keep you energized throughout the day. Day 6 brings a smoothie for breakfast, blending together kale, banana, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed start. For lunch, enjoy a hearty black bean salad with corn, diced peppers, and a lime vinaigrette. Black beans are high in protein and fiber, making this salad both filling and nutritious. Dinner features baked tilapia with a side of asparagus and brown rice. Tilapia is a lean fish that provides protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids. For snacks, try a rice cake topped with avocado or a small handful of mixed nuts. These options are great for keeping your energy levels stable. Finally, on Day 7, we'll finish strong with a breakfast of chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. Top with fresh berries in the morning for a delicious and nutritious start. For lunch, prepare a spinach salad with grilled shrimp, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. This meal is high in protein and healthy fats, making it perfect for a satisfying lunch. Dinner will be a comforting vegetable soup filled with your favorite veggies and beans, served with whole grain bread. This meal is not only warming, but also packed with nutrients. As you wrap up your week, remember to snack wisely. Try a small bowl of popcorn or a piece of dark chocolate for a treat. By following this 7-day meal plan, you'll nourish your body with wholesome foods that provide energy, support your health, and help you feel your best. Each meal is designed to be simple and delicious, making it easy to stay on track and enjoy the journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bodicares Wellness for more healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.